Hey everyone, Kevin here from Missouri Clark Life. So for all of you who have actually followed my channel and watched a lot of our videos, you pretty well know by now that this flower bed is basically the centerpiece for our patio and also for our decks. So this flower bed has undergone a ton of changes over the years, even way before I decided to start doing YouTube videos. And today I'm going to go ahead and do some more changes to it. I'm going to make this side of the flower bed in here look a whole lot more like this side over here. I just wanted to go ahead and kind of even it up a little bit on the looks. Plus this side here, we can't seem to get a whole lot of stuff to grow real good right in this area. So we've got the stuff that comes up on its own every year. We've got phlox that come up in that area, and we've got some butterfly weed that comes up kind of in that area up there, and then we have this sedum right here, and it comes up real good every year. Right now I got to cut it back, but I went to our local Walmarts today, and I got me some more of the white marble chips. And then I got some of the 12 by 12 pavers. So I'll get in here and I'll get some of these old pavers out, and I'll get everything cleaned up real good, and then I'll start laying down a weed barrier to keep weeds coming out from, you know, underneath rock and everything. So hang with me and come back and check this video out later on, and we'll see what it looks like here for long. Talk to you later. Bye. Yep, this will look a lot different in a little bit. Hey everybody, Kevin again. So I've got all my weed barrier put down, got my blocks all rearranged again. The good thing about part of this project is I really don't have to worry about leveling these blocks. I mean, if you wanted to, you could, but on something like this, I really don't worry about leveling them out. So now all I got to do is get my marble chips down in here. Now, one thing that whenever you do a flower bed like this, that you do want to make sure you get completely leveled and really secure is the retaining wall. And I've showed this wall before in past videos and everything. That is definitely a must when it comes to making a retaining wall for a flower bed or anything, is that the bottom foundation is completely level. Dig it out, tamp it down, make sure you put a level on it and get it all nice and, you know, squared up and level. So that definitely is a must for leveling. But as far as just stuff like in here where I'm going to fill my marble chips in with, I don't worry about getting it exactly level. So anyway, here in just a little bit I'm going to cut the bags open and start putting my marble chips down in here, and we'll see what it looks like after that. Be sure to like and subscribe our channel, and again, I really appreciate all those subscribers. Oh, and Grace and Sean, if you guys get to see this, I know, Grace, you got a lot of ideas that you'd like to do for some of your stuff in landscaping, so give you another shot. So everybody take care, and here in a little bit we'll get the marble chips down here and see what it looks like. Hey everyone, Kevin here from Missouri Clark Life again. Got the marble chips all down now, and I wanted to point out to you that the weed barrier I used is actually feed sacks. So they're 50-pound feed sacks that I just went ahead and split both ends open and then split them down the side. The sacks have a plastic coating on them, so they last for quite a while, and they'll definitely block your weeds. A lot cheaper than going out and buying the actual landscape paper for weed blocks. So this turned out pretty good. Ended up using 9 bags of marble chips, and then I had 2 of the 12 by 12 pavers left over, so I was glad I bought plenty of pavers to give me my border to hold the rock in and everything. And if you remember at the very beginning of the video, this was some old sedum, and when I went ahead and got the tops of it cut out that were dead from last year, and then got the leaves out from it, the sedum is actually starting to come up already. And this is a red sedum. It's definitely a really pretty plant late in the summer. So this is the last weekend of February, and everything's, you know, starting to pop up here and there, and won't be long before spring's here. So I just hope everybody enjoyed this video. Like I said, this flower bed is the center point of our patio and our deck, and we really love it in the summertime and all the flowers are up and blooming. So you can go back way back in a lot of our other videos and get an idea of what it looked like, you know, last summer, because I've got a ton of videos of this flower bed. Probably getting bored of it probably, but again, we're definitely, it's kind of a work in progress all the time. I'm always changing or doing something to it. And the marble chips right now are dirty, so after we get some rain on them, they wash the dirt off and everything, these will be a lot brighter looking. They'll actually turn out looking like this over here. So right now they just got a lot of junk and dirt and dust on them, so that'll get washed off with the next rain. And next time, when I get a little bit more time, I'll take all the little garden ornaments that I had to remove to get the gravel or to get the rocks all laid down. The marble chips I bought at our local Walmart. They were just under $5 a bag, so it wasn't too expensive to do this project. So again, from Missouri Clark Life, this is Kevin. Hope all of you enjoyed this video, and hope some of you will share these videos with your friends and family. To all of my subscribers, I appreciate it, and hope you keep coming back for more of the videos we make. Talk to you later.